one, surround yourself with successful people. Learn, be a sponge. Go to training, get coaching, get training. I'm running a whole production summit these last 2 days, and it has been phenomenal. It's been amazing. And so that would be a couple of nuggets there. Get a business plan is another one, and really connect strongly with your why, with your mission, with your vision, and your purpose, and get some sort of accountability, which goes back to the coaching part, so that way you can build and grow your real estate business. Hey, pause right here and click on the link below, get a free copy of my book so that you can increase your sales, take more listings, and earn more money. Go ahead and do that right now. So please make sure to like, share, and subscribe my channel right now so you can get more great videos like the one you just watched. If you like this video and you'd like to see more, please click right here. Once again, my name is John Toublaris, international speaker, award-winning author, and a real estate sales and mindset coach. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.